Hello everyone, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to check what permissions a specific group has on a file. In Linux, permissions are attached to files, not just the group itself, so we need to look at the file details to find the answer, and the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So to make this super clear, let's create a fresh file so we can see the permissions from scratch. So open your terminal by going to the Apps section, then Terminal. Now inside the terminal, we will use the touch command to make an empty file called group_test. So simply paste the command touch group_test.txt, then hit enter. Now we need to inspect this file to see the permissions. So we use the list command with the long flag, which gives us all the details. So you can copy and paste the command using the video description box below if you want to. Paste ls space -l space group_test.txt. Now when you press enter, you will see a line of confusing text, something like -rw-rwr or anything along those lines. So let me break it down exactly which part belongs to the group. So look at the very first chunk of letters. After the first dash, you verify permissions in sets of 3. So the first set of 3 is for the user. The second set of 3 is for the group. If you see RW-, it means the group can read and write. And if you see R-, it means they can only read. So now you must be thinking, but which group are we talking about? So look further on the right on the same line. You'll see your username twice. The first name is the owner of the file, and the second name is the group assigned to the file. So to summarize, the second name tells you which group has access, and the middle 3 letters at the start tell you what kind of access they have. And that's it. You now know how to check and read group permissions for any file on your system. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.